Good afternoon, Frazier here with Elegant Auto Sales. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around of this 2018 Mitsubishi Mirage 4-door hatchback. We're going to do the outside, we'll do the inside condition and features. I will pop the hood, let you take a look at the engine. We'll turn it over, let you see the dash and all the lights. Then we'll go back to the engine so you can hear how it sounds. But first I'm just going to get outside condition, whatever features there may be. Then we'll get to the inside here in just a moment. But as you can see, I'm getting both angles for you as well so you can see condition for yourself. Huge reason why we love doing these videos. Saves a bunch of time on both sides and you have a great idea of what you're coming in to see. Plus it's for all of our out-of-town, out-of-staters. We do offer transport and delivery options, so please keep that in mind. But as you can see, it is a hatchback, 4-door, backup camera. Down on tires here in just a moment. Tires are new, if not dang near new. It's a great little first-time car buyer vehicle, program vehicle, somebody with challenge credit, those kind of things. Alright, let's get to the inside here. Power windows, power locks. Get the condition of the seats. I don't see any rips, tears, no real stains. Plenty of lint from the detail. Back here for you. Shot of the front. As you can see, it has a tech pack. So it has all the Bluetooth capabilities. Sirius satellite radio. Steering wheel controls there, as you can see. Media center. Again, does have the backup camera. AC blows cold, and this is a 5-speed manual. If I can block out the shade a little bit there, so you can see. All right, let's take a look underneath this hood. See all the monster horsepower in this guy. All right, guys. Now, I do say this in my videos all the time. I am far from mechanically inclined, but I like to get this in here the best I can for you. Chances are, if you're looking at this one, you're probably looking at some others. But all of our vehicles, they do get plugged in, diagnosed, safety inspected. All of our vehicles, they come with warranty. And I would encourage anybody to check out our Better Business Bureau, our Google reviews. We hold an A+ with Better Business Bureau. Well, our Google reviews speak for themselves. We really do take care of our product and our client, and that includes after the sale. Let's turn that down, huh? But as you can see, there is a mileage there. No check engine lights. There's a media center. Let me put this guy in reverse. Backup camera there. Make sure we're neutral. I'll turn on some lights. Go back to the engine here. The AC is running nice and cold. And there it is, purring along beautifully. Well, hopefully that helped answer some questions. You know, if there is anything I may have missed, or you'd like me to come out and take photos, shoot another video walk around, whatever we can do to help, we're happy to do it. Just give us a call or a text. I want to say thank you for your time and consideration, and hopefully we can earn your business. We'll see you next time.